Did you ever notice how the buzz of the city drowns out the rustle of leaves or the birds singing? Urban sprawl and development keeps pushing nature to the sidelines, shrinking habitats and quieting the diverse voices of different wildlife species. This is no more evident than species like the western chorus frog, which has been federally listed as a species at risk. But what if we flip the script? In this video, we'll talk about a project that is bringing wetlands back to the middle of an urban area to save species like the western chorus frog. Welcome to the Loyalist Woods Conservation Area in Oakville, Ontario. This is a small conservation area that used to look like this, and now looks like this, highlighting the huge impact that can be made in a small space. This small conservation project that is surrounded by urban development exemplifies the importance of creating green spaces in our cities. And as we'll soon find out, creating these small spaces can have a huge impact on native species as well.
Loyalist Woods is more than a park. It's a crucial ecological hub, supporting local wildlife, plants, and climate change mitigation. By safeguarding spaces like this, we ensure that biodiversity persists and natural systems remain intact, even in urban settings. This project proves the importance of every green space in our cities. Each effort to maintain and restore these areas, no matter the size, plays a vital role in building sustainable urban ecosystems and improving our quality of life.
The western chorus frog, a species recognized for its distinctive call and small stature, is benefiting significantly from the Loyalist Woods restoration efforts.
So this frog species, often considered an indicator of environmental health, has faced population declines due to habitat loss and fragmentation. The creation of 3 specifically designed wetlands within the Loyalist Woods area has been pivotal in reversing this trend.
These new wetlands are not just bodies of water. They are complex ecosystems carefully engineered to provide a mosaic of aquatic environments. Each wetland varies slightly in its water depth, vegetation, and microhabitat features, such as shrubs and woody debris. This variety ensures a range of conditions that cater to different needs within the wildlife community, thereby supporting a greater diversity of species.
So for the western chorus frog, these wetlands serve as crucial breeding grounds. The frogs benefit from the shallow waters for laying eggs, while the dense vegetation offers shelter and protection from predators. The strategic placement of native plant species around these wetlands also supports a rich insect population, providing an essential food source for the frogs and other amphibians.
Also, the introduction of large woody debris enhances the structural complexity of the habitat, supporting an array of organisms from mosses and lichens to small mammals and insects. This debris not only contributes to ecological diversity, but also plays a role in nutrient cycling and soil formation, further enhancing the habitat quality.
By reconstructing these wetlands, the Loyalist Woods project is doing more than just creating breeding sites. It's restoring a self-sustaining ecosystem that plays a critical role in the local biodiversity and the overall health of the watershed. And by the sound of it, the efforts of the Conservation Halton team seem to be working as well as you could hope for. So as someone who spent years focusing on soil during my PhD, I have to mention what Conservation Halton is doing to improve soil quality in the Loyalist Woods area.
The soil around the wetlands is enriched with biochar and mycorrhizal fungi to create a highly functional environment that supports plant growth and carbon sequestration. Biochar is a form of stable carbon produced from the incomplete combustion of plant materials, and this helps in nutrient retention and water conservation, while also locking up carbon into the soil for long periods of time, aiding in climate change mitigation. Additionally, Conservation Halton introduced mycorrhizal fungi, which form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, greatly enhancing the plant's access to essential nutrients and water. This enriched soil is crucial for the success of the wetlands, supporting diverse wildlife and contributing to a healthier watershed. The soil in Loyalist Woods is a vital component of ecological restoration, playing a key role in environmental stewardship.
So let's take a quick look at the overall impact of this important conservation story.
1,600 trees and shrubs have been planted, encompassing 21 different species, enhancing the ecological diversity and forest structure. Over 25 kilograms of wildflower and grass seeds have been planted, spanning 43 species, aimed at restoring native meadow habitats. There's been 42 liters of tree nuts that have been planted, focusing on 6 species, including special hybrid oaks. There's been the establishment of 3 distinct ecosystems: wetlands, 1.5 kilometers squared of woodlands, and meadows, each providing unique environmental benefits. And 3 new wetlands have been constructed, providing essential breeding grounds for species such as the western chorus frog, as well as the important benefits of wetlands that you can learn about in one of my previous videos.
The work being done in places like Loyalist Woods is a crucial piece of a broader environmental puzzle. Each local conservation initiative plays a vital role in helping our cities evolve into greener, more sustainable places.
Every green space, no matter its size, is essential. Each project represents a step towards creating a more livable and ecologically rich environment.
Every local effort contributes to a bigger environmental goal, and each step forward enhances the natural habitats that are essential for species survival and ecological balance. Let's keep pushing forward, recognizing the profound impact our actions have on the world around us. So if you enjoyed learning more about the Loyalist Woods conservation story, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more environmental stories every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.